Hello friends, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the speed and distance problems. Okay, very important model I am going to discuss with you in today's class. First we shall read the question. See here what is a Honey goes to office by a car at a speed of 45 km per hour and reaches 12 minutes earlier. Means what? A person named Honey is going to office by car. At what speed he is going? It's 45 kilometers per hour and reaches 12 minutes earlier. Means before 12 minutes only he is reaching the office if he go at a speed of 45 kilometer per hour. That means they have given us speed and they have given us the time. Now we shall see the second step. If he goes 30 kilometers per hour, he reaches 10 minutes late. Okay. First when he goes at 45 kilometers per hour, he went 12 minutes earlier. Later when he goes with 30 kilometers per hour, what is happening? He had reached 10 minutes late. So what they are asking us to find out, we shall see. Then what is the distance between the house to office? So they are asking us about distance. What is the distance between his house and the office? How to find this problem, I will say you now. It is a very easy problem. See, if you know one small formula, you will get this one. First one I am writing in step wise. First step they have given 45 km per hour and reaches the 12 minutes earlier. Yes or no? So I am writing here first speed. Speed is how much, friends? 45 km per hour. Yes or no? And he is reaching earlier or late? 12 minutes earlier. So when it is 12 minutes earlier, what we need to write? Plus or minus. Earlier means every time you should write minus. Okay. And late means you should write plus. Why I will say? See, earlier no, I am writing here minus. Late means plus. Why? Because suppose you need to go to office at 8:30 a.m. Okay. If you went 5 minutes late, then what is the time? Actually you need to go at 8:30. But if you have gone at 8:35 means you are adding or subtracting. We need to add 5 minutes. 8:30 plus 5 minutes equal to, it will become 8:35. So near late we should write every time addition, that is plus symbol. Suppose if it is earlier means you are going fast. At 8:30 you should go means at 8:25 only you are there in the office means what we will do? We will subtract. That is 8:30 minus 5 minutes, that is 8:25. So every time whenever you have seen the late, there you need to write addition symbol, that is plus, and if it is earlier you need to write minus. So here first I have written speed, that is 45 km per hour, and time is how much, children? 12. Earlier no, so I have written here minus. Now moving to the next step, if he goes 30 kilometers per hour, so I am writing here speed. 30 kilometers per hour means it's taking for him how much late? It's 10 minutes. 10 minutes late means what did I told for you? Plus. Remember this every time. Don't confuse, late means plus, earlier means minus. Okay. These is the data they have given, I have written. And they are asking us to find what, friends? Distance. How to find distance means one formula is there for you. I am writing here, see, distance formula, that is D. D equal to A into B. Okay, A into B. Dot I am keeping. Dot means what? Nothing but multiplication. Okay, A into B divided by A minus B. Okay, in the numerator I have multiplied, in the denominator I am subtracting. AB by A minus B into this is into, see here, into T. T means what? Time, friends. Time in hours we need to write. Okay, this is the formula. If you know this formula, based on this model, any question they have given, it will be easy for you. Means what? When they have given for us speed and time, and if they ask you to find distance, what is the formula, friends? Means AB by A minus B into T. Time will be in hours. Here what is the A and B means speed. Initially what the speed they have given, later what speed they have given. First they told 45 km per hour. That means this is our A. Next they have given 30. So this is our B. Now substitute all this value into this, you will get the question, sorry, answer. So distance equal to, what is our A, friends? 45 45 into B is what? 30. 45 into 30 by difference. 45 minus 30. Okay. Difference is what? 45 minus 30 into time. Now what is the time? Are you thinking how we will get time? Means see. See here, what is the time they have given? First 12 minutes earlier, next 10 minutes later. How to do this? Means you should add this both every time. Okay. When they ask to write the time here, you should add here. If you add this while what you are getting, 12 plus 10 is what? Friends, 22. Yes or no? Here symbols may be addition or subtraction for you. You no need to take care about that. You should add just. Why you should add? Means see the difference between them. Suppose if I ask for you what is the difference between the minus 5 to 5, if I ask what you'll write from minus 5 to 5. For example, I am saying here 0 is there, here plus 5 is there. Okay friends, then here left side minus 5 I am writing here. Minus 5 is there. If you count, how you will count from here to minus 5 to plus 5 means here left side 5 will be there, right side 5 will be there. So 5 plus 5, total 10 numbers you will say. Yes or no? Similarly here they have given what? Left side minus 12, middle you assume as 0, right side plus 10. If you add whole from minus 12 to 10, total how many numbers you will get? 22 only. Okay. So you should add these both every time, then you will get the time. So what is the time now friends? We got 12 plus 10, if we added, I got as 22. Yes or no? Now write here 22. Just if I write 22, it is enough? No. Why? Because here they have 12 and 10 in minutes, but I asked in the formula we should convert it into hours. I think you all know how to convert hours into minutes and minutes into hours. Yes or no? Suppose they gave 2 hours. If you want to convert 2 hours into minutes, what will you do? 2 into 60 you will do. Means you are multiplying with 60. Why? Because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then 2 hours equal to nothing but 2 into 60, 120 minutes. Suppose similarly if they asked in the reverse manner, 120 minutes is equal to how many hours? Means you should divide by 60. Understood? If they ask to convert hours into minutes, you need to multiply by 60, and in the reverse if they ask to convert minutes only into hours, you need to do division, divide by 60. So they have given here 22 is the minutes. We need to convert the minutes into hours. So when we need to convert the minutes into hours, we need to do division. So 22 divided by 60. Now do all cancellation here. 45 into 30 divided by 45 minus 30 is what friends? 15. So here instead of 45 minus 30, I am writing here, we will with other pen I am writing. 45 minus 30 we will get 15. So 15 ones are, 15 twos are, gets cancelled. See here 45 is there, here 60 is there. So 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60. Yes or no? Next here. Still what is left here? 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 4, cancel. Next here 2 ones are, 2 elevens are, gets cancelled. Finally what is left here friends? 11, left side 3 is there. So 11 into 3 is what? 33 is our answer. So what is our distance? Means 33. Okay. This is our answer. Understood everybody? Only this formula if you learn, it will be easy. Distance equal to A into B by A minus B into time. Time should be in hours. So this A, B are nothing but the given speeds. Initially first speed what they have given, later second time what speed they have given. So you should multiply those both in the numerator. In the denominator you need to subtract those both. Into time is nothing but what they will give. When they have given late, you write their plus. If they given earlier, write their minus. Then later here you should do definitely addition only. Remember this. You should add. Then only you will get the difference. What is there from here to here? Okay. So we got the 22, but 22 is in minutes, I need in hours. So I have done 22 divided by 60 because I am converting minutes to hours. So if you do cancellation, finally I am getting the distance value as 33 kilometers. So this is our answer. Okay. Now moving to the next sum. Again same process. before seeing this problem, just pause the video and you try to solve it. If you are not got answer, check here. Okay, I am reading the question, friends. First, a student walks at a speed of 2.5 kilometers. Half means what, children? 1 by 2 means 0.5. Instead of 1 by 2, can I write 0.5? Yes. So a student walks at a speed of 2.5 kilometer per hour and reaches his school 6 minutes late. Okay, same according to the previous problem only. Okay, when the student is going at the speed of 2.5 kilometers for his school, he reached his school at 6 minutes late itself. Okay, late means what I told for you here? Plus I told here, right here again, you'll confuse now. Next day he increased his speed by 1 kilometer per hour and reached 6 minutes early. Early means I told for you minus. Okay, in first step what they have given, first day when he went to school, he went at 2.5 kilometers itself, and next day when he went to school, he increased his speed by 1 kilometer. Means how much? First day 2.5 means second day you add 1 to that. 2.5 plus 1 is nothing but 3.5. Yes or no? If we gave here 2 kilometers he increased, means you should say 2.5 plus 2 is 4.5, like that. Okay, now we shall write the data according to the previous problem how I told. Write down here. First what they have given, 2.5 kilometers. So instead of 2.5, can I write 2.5? Half means nothing but 0.5 only. No, when he is going with 2.5 kilometer per hour, how many minutes he went late or earlier? 6 minutes late. So late means I told to write plus 6 minutes late. I wrote here this one. Okay, these are our speed, this is the time. Okay, next step, the next day he increased his speed by 1 kilometer per hour. So I am adding next day. Okay, this is first day. Why am I adding 1? Because they gave next day he increased speed by 1 kilometer per hour. Then 2.5 plus 1 is what? 3.5 kilometers per hour. When he goes with 3.5 kilometers, he went 6 minutes early itself. So what you should write here? Early means minus 6 minutes. Okay, now what is our formula I told for you? Distance equal to, they are asking to find how far is the school from the office. Means school to office, what is the distance? So what is the formula, friends? Distance equal to A into, dot means into, A into B by A minus B into time. Time in hours. Remember that time should be written in the hours. HR I am writing here. Okay, time should be in hours. Now substitute the values. This is our A, 2.5. Next 3.5 is our B. Substitute those values, you will get the answer. D equal to 2.5 into 3.5 divided by, here A minus B means many will do 2.5 minus 3.5, that is minus 1. No, in averages there will be no negative answer. Every time answers will be in positive only. Okay, distance can't be in negative, right? So what you should write here, A minus B means don't do 2.5 minus 3.5. 3.5 minus 2.5 you do, you should get the positive value. Anything you do, you'll get 1 only, but if you do in 2.5 minus 3.5, you'll get the value in negative. You should not write negative answers anytime in average. So difference between the 3.5 minus 2.5 is what, friends? 1. Yes or no? 3 minus 2 is 1. Similarly 3.5 minus 2.5 is 1 into time is what? Here what did I told for you? When they asked to find the time, here you need to add this one. Okay, this point is very important. Don't forget, friends, when they ask you to write time, you need to add here the initial time and the later time, both you add. 6 plus 6 is what, friends? 12. Okay, commonly if you see, also see here, you write here 6 0, right side plus 6, left side minus 6. Now start counting from minus 6 to plus 6, you will get 12 only. So plus 6 and minus 6, if you add this both, 6 plus 6 is what? 12. Now write down time into, time is what here? 12. Just 12 is only your time? No. Why? Because this 12 they have given in the minutes, but I ask in the formula for you to write in the time in the hours. So 12 divided by 60 you should do. Okay, I am not having place here. If you do this all the simplification, you will get the distance value. What answer you got the distance, put in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study. and all of you be at home and be safe. Thank you.